One-Stop Shop is an accelerator network designed by Munster Technological University, formerly known as Cork Institute of Technology. The Eco One-Stop Shop has been developed as a social media platform to guide pursuing community energy projects. This platform information has been designed with accessibility in mind, clearly indicating where data and tools can be found, allowing communities to quickly and effortlessly access all relevant information. Our users can also avail of our built-in assistant tools, such as the Progress Evaluation tool and the Greenhouse Gas Calculator, to successfully develop and run OSS whilst being committed to learning, training, and collaboration of people. To showcase pages which advertise existing groups and beacon sites, and use the community page and forum as a sharing platform to offer knowledge and expertise on a range of topics related to community energy projects. To provide professional tools to track project progression and greenhouse gas emissions and the effectiveness of your project. To ensure emerging community co-ops follow the appropriate steps during their initial development by providing them with interactive masterclasses and tool recommendations. Users that have registered in the One-Stop Shop will be able to access the feature to connect with people via friend requests and take part in discussions on the forum and within groups. Emerging community energy co-ops often lack the ability to become part of the energy transition. They often face barriers such as lack of financial strength, technological and management knowledge. Therefore, the open forum was developed to allow users to write questions and allow other members to share an answer. There is a structure set up to organize each topic into a subheading, representing various forms of renewable energy. The more involved a user is in the forum, the higher trust score they will accumulate. Over time, this will allow other users to recognize comments from people who are familiar with the topic and can provide experienced advice. This social media platform allows users to create groups through the community section, which can be made private or public. When creating a group, you are required to select a category, in which the options are charity/fundraiser, event, general, project, or teaching/masterclasses. Members can invite existing friends through One-Stop Shop or connect with other people through similar interests, location, or other connections. Users cannot interact with a group unless they are added. However, they can request to join or be invited by the admins. When an individual user is added to a group, they can interact with other members of the group, commenting on posts and photos, and take part in announcements, discussions, and polls. They will be able to access information about ongoing projects and share tools availed in the resource page to show the effectiveness of their project, all of which will be stored as a file structure within the group page. Users have access to showcases which display information about the beacon sites and their current progress. The showcase feature is significant in the platform as it shines a light on energy communities who uses a range of renewable technologies. The beacon sites showcase details such as background, history, structure, reasons for its success, and its community, technological, and financial management. Emerging community co-ops can find inspiration on completed renewable projects. Sharing experiences and knowledge to this platform can help communities become integrated and committed to the learning and collaboration of people. Registered users on the One-Stop Shop have access to useful resources to assist groups with their community energy projects. This includes information about the beacon sites, other Interact projects that are ongoing, and a financial guide developed by one of the eco partners. You will also have access to professionally built tools programmed to track the progress of your community project, measure your GHG emissions, and view tools, masterclasses, and activities on each section to further progress your project on the timeline. As mentioned before, the platform includes custom-built tools designed to assist with the development of community energy projects. The Greenhouse Gas Calculator will calculate your carbon dioxide savings in each year by implementing various forms of renewable energy. This tool allows users to see the potential of the renewable energy projects in terms of impact on national reductions in emissions. You will be required to select the type of energy you are using in your renewable project, as well as the annual production of the system. Simply click the button Calculate to view the results of your greenhouse gas emissions. Registered users also have the access to view the database data of the countries involved in the ECO. The Progress tool has been built to measure the progress of a community energy project and use this to guide the group to what their next steps should be. The Progress tool consists of a survey of 26 questions with checkboxes as answer options. Each answer is associated with a scorer that is tallied up after a group has completed the survey. The results of the survey will be shown as part of the to-do list under each heading of the ECO timeline: People, Technology, and Finance. The to-do list will show what has been completed by the group and will give an indication of what is yet to be done. The Progress tool will also show a graphical representation of the survey score as a spider diagram showing the percentage progression under each heading. These results will be shareable to the associated group page. This allows admins to keep the rest of the group updated when any progress is made on ongoing projects. An individual can create a project on the Progress tool. The data will be pushed over to the SQL database, so when the user logs in to add the updated, they do not need to re-enter information. Admins of the group can create a project on the Progress tool and it will be linked into the group page. Only group admins will be able to add and update projects on the Progress tool to avoid any incorrect entries made unknowingly by group members. On behalf of the ECO team, we have provided an in-depth view as an aid for users to help them take the right and appropriate steps. This timeline tool has a page dedicated to each step in development, which consists of awareness, emergence, development, post-development, construction, and operation. Each page has 3 distinct headings of People, Finance, and Technical. The tool also includes information about relevant ECO development tools and masterclasses available at each step. Click on our accordion buttons to learn more about them. Rural areas and the people living there, including farmers, can reap the benefits of energy transition. New local ownership and financing models will generate local economic and social benefits, increase people's acceptance of change, and raise awareness of changes needed for a more sustainable lifestyle, while helping to reach the European greenhouse gas reduction targets.